Pure peanut butter begins not in a chemical factory, but in peanut farms, where these peanuts are collected and sent to factories.
Keep an eye on the auger, almost full.
Okay, I'll watch the level.
Looks good.
Inside the factory, the first step is cleaning. Leaves and branches are removed and pure peanuts are separated, then sent for further processing.
Keep it going, just a little more. We're almost full. Check the flow control. Keep it flowing like this. Looking good. Look good. Check the belt speed. Sample 1 collected. Moving to sample 2. Understood.
Here, the peanuts are also washed, and some samples may be tested in a laboratory.
Check the next batch coming through. The stones are separating efficiently now. Good, keep the peanut flow steady.
Then they are placed into measured boxes to control the quantity.
The sensor data is consistent now. Good, let's monitor the throughput. It's looking optimized.
Inside the factory, peanuts pass through controlled heat and are lightly roasted. The process is complex, so it is often controlled using computerized systems.
Looks like a perfect batch. Keep it coming. Temperature seems right.
The temperature is holding steady at 12. Good. Let's keep the airflow at 85.
Check the roast on this batch.
Yeah.
Looks a little dark over here.
Flow is stable at 70%.
Temperature is within specifications.
Check the gauge on tank 3. The perfect blend, flowing to the filling line. The jars are approaching the nozzles. Monitoring pressure. All systems stable.
Pallet number 3 on the left. Got it. Got it. Staging area 3. Watch your back. Move it left a little.
Keep it moving, driver. Yes, sir. Watch the corner.
Pallet 1 ready. Drop it here. Drop it here. Watch the corner. Clear. All right, truck's here. Let's get these pallets off. Copy that. Moving the forklift now. Watch your step on the wet concrete.
Here are the granola bars.
Yeah.
Great, scanning those for you. And the juice.
Thank you. Here's the milk.
Got it. Just the bread to go.
Ah, finally. Now for the perfect breakfast.
If you enjoy the process, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.